Hello kids, today we learn about some colors name. Let's begin. Black color, dark blue color, pink color, yellow color, green color, purple color, dark blue color, sky blue color, violet color, sea green color, orange color, light green color, brown color, red color, and violet color. Let's learn about the capital ABCD. A is for alligator. B is for bus. C is for carrot. D is for door. E is for ear. F is for fox. G is for gorilla. H is for hen. I is for iron. J is for Jupiter. K is for kangaroo. L is for ladder. M is for mud. N is for nectar. O is for oil. P is for panda. Q is for quiet. R is for rose. S is for sand. T is for table. U is for ugly. V is for violin. W is for wheel. X is for X-rays. Y is for yogurt. Z is for zoo. Now let's read them one more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, colorful capital alphabets. Bye-bye.